Bonjour et bienvenue to my YouTube channel Learn French with Shifa. Today in this video we are going to learn passé composé with avoir verb. In first two parts we have done the past participle and the verbs which go with être in passé composé, and you would find their links in the description box. So as the rule goes, passé composé is made using one of the auxiliary verbs, that is être or avoir, along with the past participle of the given verb, of the main verb. So today we are going to make the sentences using avoir verb. First the conjugation: j'ai, tu as, il, elle a, nous avons, vous avez, and il, elles ont. Starting with the first sentence, I want to say he finished his work. So what we need to do? We need to first identify the verb. Finished verb in French is finir. Finir past participle is fini, and we take this verb with avoir. So il a fini. When these two words are combined, a and fini, they make the English word finished or have finished. Il a fini son travail. Second example, we watched a film. Now to watch in French is regarder. Past participle of regarder we make by removing er and adding accented e. Then we take avoir conjugation with nous. So it is nous avons regardé un film. Avoir and regarder when come together they make the past tense watched. And now we will learn how to make the sentences negative. First, in positive it is written il a chanté. He sang. Now if you see here, a is the conjugated verb and chanté is the past participle. And according to the rule of negation, the negative sentences ne and pa are placed before and after the verb. So why did I write conjugated verb? This would be further explained in the second sentence. So you just put ne before the verb and pa after the verb and it will be a negative sentence. Il n'a pas chanté. Second, vous avez voulu acheter cette robe. You wanted to buy this dress. Now see, there are two verbs. Vouloir verb is given in past tense and acheter is the second verb. So ave is the conjugated verb, voulu is the past participle, and acheter is the second verb which comes as the infinitive. And what do we need to see? We need to see only the conjugated verb to make the sentence negative. And that is ave. So you place ne before ave and pa after ave and it will become negative. So vous n'avez pas voulu acheter cette robe. You did not want to buy this dress. And now at last we learn how to make the interrogative sentences. Starting with the first. Have you read this novel? Have you read this novel? And first I wrote, you have read this novel. So the sentence is, read is the verb lire. Lire past participle is lu and the verb conjugation is a. So tu as lu ce roman means you have read the novel. Now we'll make it a question. And what do we need for that? We need to invert the position of the subject and the verb. So our verb is a and our subject is tu. We just need to invert their positions and put a hyphen mark in between and we have got our question. So as-tu lu ce roman means, have you read this novel or did you read this novel? Second example, did she do her work? Did she do her work? So first we write she did her work. So elle a fait son devoir. Elle a fait son devoir. And again, same logic. First we'll take the verb and then we'll take the subject and we will separate these two vowels with the T in between. So a-t-elle fait son devoir. So did she do the work is a-t-elle fait son devoir. And that would be all in this part, part 3. I hope that you have enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel Learn French with Shifa. For any suggestions and comments, put them in the comment section and press the bell icon for the latest notification. Merci, au revoir, bonne journée.